Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Today we will be unboxing my Stage 1 Action Clutch plus Flywheel. Here's the clutch disc itself. It's a very high quality clutch disc. Springs are covered on one side. Here's a sticker that it came with. Can't see, but it says Action Clutch. Here is the installation instructions along with the warranty information. Here's a lanyard that it came with. The clutch alignment tool along with the pilot bearing that the kit came with. The clutch pressure plate itself, which is very high quality as well, painted beautiful red, and I'm very happy with this pressure plate. Here's the throwout bearing that came with the kit. As far as I can tell, it's not made in Japan, so I did get the OEM throwout bearing, as you can see here. Very high quality. I recommend going OEM unless you can find a higher quality alternative. Here is the OEM pilot bearing, or pilot bushing. I recommend going OEM as well. The pilot bearing is very cheap, so you may as well. Here is the flywheel. Now there's a lightweight flywheel and a steel flywheel. This is the steel flywheel, which maintains the feel of the OEM flywheel. Now this setup is perfect for starting a build. The Stage 1 Action Clutch is good for 50% more power than stock, and it'll hold up just fine until you go forced induction. You go forced induction, you go to a higher stage.